All match schedule 2025 ICC Champion Trophy Pakistan Season 2025 Group A India, Pakistan, New Zealand and Bangladesh. Group B England, South Africa, Australia, Afghanistan. New Zealand vs Pakistan 19 February 2025 1:30 pm Venue Karachi. Bangladesh vs India 20 February 2025 1:30 pm Venue Lahore. Afghanistan vs South Africa 21st February 2025 1:30 pm Venue Karachi. England vs Australia 22 February 2025 1:30 pm Venue Lahore. Australia vs New Zealand 23 February 2025 1:30 pm Venue Lahore. Bangladesh vs Pakistan 24 February 2025 1:30 pm Venue Rawalpindi. Afghanistan vs England 25 February 2025 1:30 pm Venue Lahore. Australia vs South Africa 26 February 2025 1:30 pm Venue Rawalpindi. Bangladesh vs New Zealand 27th February 2025 1:30 pm Venue Lahore. Afghanistan vs Australia 28 February 2025 1:30 pm Venue Rawalpindi. Pakistan vs India 1st March 2025 1:30 pm Venue Lahore. South Africa vs England 2 March 2025 1:30 pm Venue Rawalpindi. First semi-final 5 March 2025 1:30 pm Venue Karachi. Second semi-final 6th March Season 2025 1:30 pm Venue Rawalpindi. Final match 9 March 2025 1:30 pm Venue Lahore.